Do you want to smell it first or taste it first? Okay, smell it. Okay, can I show you? I'm not gonna touch this tooth, right? We fifth bump, right? Fifth bump. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Wow, your teeth look incredible. Breathe. 1. Good job. He's doing very well. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it together. But open big. Keep it nice and open. Open. Which normal gift do you want? Nice. And maybe take a sticker. Take a sticker. Nice. If you eat a lot of candy, what's going to happen? Yes. You want this to happen? You promise? Can I give you a hug?